Right, here are the basics of how you write a program to use a Logitech controller or some other kind of USB controller in the virtual world. You'll need a while loop. The first line needs to say get joystick settings, in parentheses joystick, and then you'll be asking for conditions to see if they are true or not relating to different parts of the joystick. So joystick.joy1 Y1 or joystick joy1 X1, those relate to the up, down, or left, right parts of the joystick itself. As we get down lower, I can respond to button presses from specific buttons on a Logitech controller. So here's if joy1 button and the number 4 equals 1, in other words, if it's been pressed, then do this function. I'm doing that same thing for button 2, 3, 1, 5. Those are some of the ones that are on the top. There are also buttons on the where your fingers are instead of your thumbs. Those are higher numbers, I think 7, 6. And each of these I'm just using if statements, else if statements. And then near the end, I'm going to look at what about combinations. If buttons 6 and 8 are not pressed, then stop motor 11. If buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4 are not pressed, then stop the motors 1 and 6. All of this happening inside a while loop. So when you run your program, you'll see over and over again the program flipping through all of these ifs and else statements to run the proper functions or code corresponding to when a button is pressed or not.